Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Threads, an Instagram app. Threads is a new way to share ideas and trends. It is a text-based discussion app where you can share your thoughts and ideas with your community. To get started, first download the Threads app from the App Store. Then sign in with your Instagram account. Once you are signed in, you will see a feed of posts from accounts you follow on Instagram. You can post on Threads by tapping the plus icon at the top right corner of the screen. You can write up to 500 characters per post and also add links and photos to your post. To engage with others on the app, you can like and reply to posts by tapping the like button or the reply button. You can also share posts from Threads to Instagram by tapping the share button. To follow others on Threads, go to their profile and tap the follow button. You can also block or report accounts that you do not want to see posts from. To manage your account on Threads, go to your profile and tap the settings icon. From here, you can edit your profile, change your notification settings, and log out of the app. Best practices for using Threads include keeping your posts concise and engaging, using relevant hashtags to reach a wider audience, and interacting with others on the app by liking and replying to posts. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively use Threads to share your ideas and connect with your community. Remember to always follow the community guidelines and terms of service when using the app. That is it for this tutorial on how to use Threads. We hope you found it helpful and informative. With Threads, you can share your thoughts and ideas with your community and stay up to date with the latest trends and discussions.